We're getting a downpour here in Babylon, pulling into Babylon here. And actually I saw some lightning too with that. Oh, there's some lightning right there. Well, now we're stopped. You know, I hate this. They love to make us wait for a westbound train. They love doing this. You know, they should let us go through first, you know? Put the westbound on the eastbound track there. Let us go through. Yeah, it's getting a good thunderstorm and I'm missing it because we're waiting for this freaking westbound train here. It's ridiculous. It's nonsense. There was just a cloud's ground bolt right over there, I swear. I wasn't filming, but it was right over there. You know, it's still sitting here. I don't know if there's some kind of signal problem or something, but there was a cloud to ground bolt right over there. What's going on? But they've got us sitting here for nonsense. There it is. See how that train's crawling? I mean, they should not be making us wait for that train. It's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. They love doing this stuff. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they actually put that train on the eastbound track so we can get through. But today the towers are being dicks to us and they're making us wait. There was a cloud to ground bolt literally hit right over there. I wasn't filming though, of course. But as soon as we can get into Babylon, I can film this. Nothing to see here until we get moving. Finally moving. I don't know why they had us go so long. They never. This is the problem. They make you wait. They should switch that other train to the other track so they can let us through. Unfortunately, the storm's over now because we're waiting. I was trying to get to Babylon to try to get some video of it, but they let us through. I could have gotten some good video of it, but storm's over now. Because the tower's fooling around. And I don't know what they're doing in there. Still see some of it off to the south, maybe. There was one bolt that literally hit a power line that was literally right by us. Oh, there was one right there. Wow, it's a big backup at this traffic light here. I don't know why the tower held us like that. I don't know why. Waiting for track space. It's just waiting for track space. Some flooding here too. So they got pounded too. We still got some bolts going, so I'm gonna get off this train. We're gonna watch the storm a little more because the storm's still going. By the way, this is what it looks like on the radar. Finally pulling into Babylon, like 6 minutes late into that nonsense. Alright, it was another bolt right there. We just got to get this train out of the way. It's a good view actually. It's not even raining. Look over there. There's a bolt right over there. That seems to be the direction the bolts are coming from, so let's see if we can catch some more lightning here. Oh, there's one right there. There's definitely a storm over there, you can see. Well, that was close. Let's just go into this thing, all right? Because it's lightning, and that was close. Should have gotten that one, hopefully. Wow. There's one right there too, I think. Oh man, we're gonna be filming this storm here. Oh, I see it's starting to pour over there by the lake. Oh, there's another one right there.
Train to Babylon will arrive in 5. On track 3.
We got, oh, there's one right there. This canopy's leaking. Oh, this thing's terrible. It's leaking. Not good. This canopy needs to be replaced. It's raining in here. Oh god, we're gonna have to get out of here. Find one dry spot. Good word. This damn thing is not leaking. It's pouring now. Alright, we're gonna have to go downstairs. Yeah, alright. That canopy is leaking like crazy. That canopy needs to be replaced badly. It's useless in the rain. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What a storm. Yeah, at least we got something there. What a storm. Wow, that came by surprise. There's the Robert Moses bus. I don't think we'll be taking that today. Did that yesterday. I feel like to go to the beach in a thunderstorm. I don't think so. There's still more boats coming off that thing, man. I just wish we'd have a better view. I'm trying to be safe at the same time, so. That was a hell of a storm there. It just kind of came on us by surprise. A lot of thunder and lightning though. And a lot of clouds ground strikes. Hopefully I got some of them there. Not going to the beach today, sorry. It's crazy, it's this blue sky to the north, and it's over. It's still going though, it's still going. Look at these clouds. We're going to get this train out of here. This train's on the way. There's one there too, and there. At the same time. One there too. This thing's just unloading clouds of ground bolts everywhere. Right over there. canopy. They should have replaced these canopies ages ago. Oh, one there, right there. Holy cow. Another one. Here comes the heavy rain again. Is that right over there? Did I hit the wire right over there? I think it did. Let's point it over here. Alright, I got my umbrella because we know this canopy's a junk. This canopy's no good, but I got to be under the canopy with all this lightning around here. It hit those power lines. Of course, I wasn't aiming in the right spot. I mean, there's bolts everywhere. I don't know where to aim. Comes another train coming in, it's going to ruin our view. At least we have a view to the south though. Fire department activity in one of the East River tunnels. Okay, well, that's not... not related to the storm. I mean, there's CG everywhere. I can't aim it to the west because that's where the rain is coming from. This canopy is doing absolutely no good at all whatsoever, by the way. The only reason I'm under it is because there's lightning everywhere and I don't want to get struck. Go again, another storm. This canopy is useless, man. Useless. Good thing I got the umbrella, so. I think I'm going downstairs. Yeah, let's go downstairs. It's pouring. Windy too, so my umbrella's not giving loose. Absolutely pouring out here. I didn't realize I had the image stabilization switched off on the camera, so the video might have been a little shakier than normal. Radar, get it, see what we got going on. Next time I go over here, I start getting water on the lens. The storm is just never ending, man. Something obviously got struck. There's sirens. wasn't even ready for this. I mean, it looked like it was fading away as it was moving off to the south shore, and then all of a sudden, it just blew up again. So, anyway, I'm gonna head up and on out of here and get on the train. So, I'll wrap up this video here because I don't want to miss this train. I got on. Crazy though. What a crazy storm that was. The train's not here yet. We'll catch a few more bolts. It's gonna be on track 2. I think that's it. I think the storm is done. I just wasn't ready for it at all, man. So just do a walk here on the platform. It was nuts. It was absolutely nuts, guys. I think it's over. But there may be more later. Caught me by surprise. Sorry if it was some kind of rush, but I just wasn't. I thought it was moving away, and then all of a sudden I thought we missed it as we were pulling into Babylon. Things are just getting started. So there you go. We have some more later today. That was incredible. Something blowing up over there too, it looks like. We're not done yet. For some reason we're going very, very, very slow here. So something happened with the storm causing us to go very slow here on the Babylon branch. There's also a problem on the East River tunnels too. Yeah, there's a storm over there too, so and I've seen some lightning from it. And we're going very slow, so there's obviously some sort of signal problem that's not being laid or not being put up. Get a good view of it here. See if we can catch any lightning.
This is the train to Grand Central. The next station is Amityville.
I'll finally stop moving a little more. So some kind of signal problem or something. Yeah, there's definitely a storm over there or something. Seeing some more lightning again in that direction. Yeah, we're going slow. Still going slow. So definitely some kind of signal problem. With all that lightning, it probably caused some signal problems. There are a lot of cloud-to-ground strikes. You can see there's a storm over there. Out of the way, trees. Storm definitely did something to the Babylon branch. Just I can't see anything because of these trees. Well, they're cutting down trees along the tracks. I guess there's a benefit to that. We'll have to have them blocking the view. Slow down over there. Some kind of something got hit by lightning, probably. You can see there's definitely a storm off to the south there. I don't see any lightning with it yet, though. So I'm going to stop the video here. Definitely a storm off to the south. It's been a crazy week, man. I've just been getting nailed time and time again with these storms.
As you leave the train, please step over the gap between the train and the platform.
still going slow, but we sped up for a little bit, going slow. The Massapequa Park, I believe there's no power here. I just checked the app, and it looks like everything is dark. Yep. Oh, no, I see lights on here. Let's see back here. Got lights on here. Yep, power. No, it's not. The power's on here. But yeah, there's some. Oh, now we're moving fast again. Okay. We're finally done with that speed restriction. So, pulling into Massapequa now. Let's see if there's power here. Yeah, it looks like the electric's on, but yeah, I guess maybe they restored the power. There was a big X on the map. Alright. Wow. Alright. I think we're done for now. I think we're done. There is a few more cells over the North Shore. But that's going to wrap this part of the video up. If there's more storms later, I'll take a second one, of course. But yeah, this is crazy. I thought it was just crazy how it just popped up over us like that. There's still water on the lens. We're still getting a little light rain. But that's going to do it for this one. This crazy day isn't over yet, I have a feeling.